Let's start with the GoStream client for RabbitMQ. Let's see some basic concept. In this client, there are two basic structs, consumer and producer, that are low-level entities that can interact with one single stream queue. After that, there are two structs, reliable producer and reliable consumer, that are standard producer and consumer with superpowers. They can deal with temporary problems like network error, topology changes, and cluster restart, for example. Speaking about the producer, there are two APIs, send and batch send. The standard send is asynchronous, auto-split, and auto-tuning. It means that automatically decides to send the messages to the server. The batch send is up to you, can use it for special cases, and is synchronous. In most of the cases, you need to use the standard send. Up to the producer and consumer, there is the environment. The environment is needed to create the producer and consumer, to create streams, to delete streams, and to query the system. Let's see a demo. Okay, here there is the environment. In this case, we have just one server that is localhost with the standard port. Then we are going to create a stream, and we define a retention policy. We suggest to set up always a retention policies that can be based on length or time. In this case, we ignore the problem in case the stream already exists. Then we create the our first reliable consumer, and we define the offset specification. In this case, we want to consume the messages for the beginning of the stream. And here there is the handler where you will receive the messages. Then we create the reliable producer. We leave the standard, the default option, because we don't need anything special. And here you receive the confirmation from the server when a message or the messages are confirmed. In case the messages are not confirmed, we print an error here. Then a simple loop to send messages. In this case, we use the standard send, and we send a standard MQP 1.0 message format. And that's it. Let's see it running. And here we go. We received the confirmation for 10 messages, and we consumed 10 messages from the stream. Let's see here. Okay, we have our stream with 10 messages. We have the connection for the producer and the consumer, and you can also check the tab stream connection with more details about the connection for the consumer and the producer. In this case, for example, we can see that there are one consumer to the stream, and with 10 messages consumer, and with 10 messages consumer. And that's it.